everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk. I'm Emma. Oh, Rahul, you look happy today. How are you feeling?
Yes, I feel very good today. I feel relaxed. It feels like a weekend already.
Oh, I can hear that in your voice. Weekend energy is different, right?
Yes, very different. On weekdays, my mind is busy. On weekends, my mind feels free.
Same here. Weekends feel lighter. No alarm stress, no morning rush.
Exactly. Even waking up feels better.
Yes, you open your eyes and think, oh, today is the weekend.
That moment is the best. No hurry, no pressure.
By the way, I like your outfit today. Very casual, very weekend.
Oh, thank you. I wear casual clothes on weekends. Comfort is important.
Absolutely. Comfortable clothes, a good mood, and our microphones in front of us.
Yes, we're ready to talk. I have my tea and I feel relaxed.
Perfect. Before we continue, if you enjoy fun and calm English conversations like this, please like this video.
And subscribe to Easy English Talk for simple, everyday English you can really use.
You can also share this episode with someone who loves weekends.
All right, so today we're talking about weekend routines.
What we do on weekends, how our day feels, and how to talk about it in simple English.
Let's start at the very beginning.
Yes, the moment we wake up on the weekend. All right, let's start with the weekend morning. What time do you usually wake up on weekends?
Yeah, on weekends I wake up late, usually around 9 o'clock. No alarm, just my body waking up.
Oh, that sounds very nice. So late, not early?
Yeah, late. Very late compared to weekdays.
What about last weekend? Do you remember what time you woke up?
Last weekend I woke up even later, around 10 o'clock. I slept very well.
10 o'clock is a real weekend time. Did you feel surprised when you woke up?
Yeah, a little. I looked at the clock and thought, oh, it's already 10.
I know that feeling. Last weekend, I also woke up late. I forgot what day it was for a moment.
Yes, that happens. For a few seconds, I thought it was Monday.
Oh no, that's scary. Then you remember, no work today.
Yes, that feeling feels very good.
Do you use an alarm on the weekends or no alarm at all?
Yeah, no alarm. If I hear an alarm on the weekend, I feel a little angry.
I know that feeling. Weekend alarms feel very wrong.
Exactly. Weekends are for resting.
All right, let's make one clear sentence. You can say, last weekend, I woke up late and didn't use an alarm.
Last weekend, I woke up late and didn't use an alarm.
Perfect. That sounds very clear and very natural. Okay, After you wake up late on the weekend, how do you feel?
Yeah, I feel relaxed. Not rushed at all. My body feels slow, but in a good way.
Oh, I like that. Slow but good. So relaxed, not stressed.
Exactly. On weekdays, I wake up and think, I need to move fast. On weekends, I just stay in bed for a bit.
Same here. Sometimes I sit on the bed and do nothing. Just look around and smile.
Yeah, I do that too. I check the time, then close my eyes again for 5 minutes.
Those 5 minutes become 10 minutes.
Yes, always. Weekend time moves very fast.
Do you ever feel sleepy even after waking up late?
Yes. Very sleepy. I think my body wants more rest.
I understand. For me, I feel calm but a little lazy.
Yeah, lazy is the right word. Not tired, just lazy.
Sometimes on weekends, I feel so relaxed that I forget my phone.
Oh, really? That's nice.
Yes, no messages, no news, just a quiet morning.
That sounds perfect. a slow, calm weekend morning.
All right, let's make one clear sentence. You can say, on weekends, I feel relaxed and calm in the morning.
On weekends, I feel relaxed and calm in the morning.
Perfect. Very natural English. All right. After you wake up and feel relaxed, what do you usually do first on a weekend morning?
Yeah. First, I stay in bed for a few minutes. I don't jump up quickly.
Oh, that sounds very weekend-like. So bed first, not bathroom first.
Exactly. On weekdays, I go to the bathroom fast. On weekends, I take my time.
Oh, same here. Sometimes I sit on the bed and stretch a little.
Yeah, stretching feels good. Then I usually check my phone.
Oh, phone time. What do you check first?
Sometimes messages. Sometimes I open Netflix and watch a little.
Oh, weekend Netflix in bed is very tempting.
Yes, very tempting. Sometimes I watch cartoons too. They make me feel relaxed and happy.
I like that. For me, I don't use my phone immediately. I go to the bathroom first and wash my face.
Oh, that's a good habit. Very fresh.
Yes, after that, I feel ready to start the day.
So our routines are a little different, but both are slow and calm.
Exactly. That's the weekend style. Okay, now let's make one clear sentence. You can say, on weekends, I stay in bed first and check my phone.
On weekends, I stay in bed first and check my phone.
Perfect. Very clear and very natural English. All right. After your slow morning routine, let's talk about breakfast. Rahul, do you eat breakfast on weekends?
Yeah, I do. But it's different from weekdays. On weekends, I eat slowly and enjoy it more.
Oh, I like that. Slow breakfast feels special.
Yes, sometimes I eat at home, sometimes I go outside.
Oh, outside breakfast sounds fun. Where do you go?
Sometimes to a small cafe, and sometimes McDonald's.
McDonald's on weekend is very popular. Do you eat a big breakfast there?
Yeah, a bigger breakfast than usual. Burger, maybe eggs, and a cold drink like Coca-Cola.
That's very weekend style. For me, I usually eat at home. Bread, eggs, and coffee.
Coffee at home?
Yes, but sometimes on special weekends, I go to Starbucks.
Starbucks feels like a treat. Not every day.
Exactly, just once in a while.
So weekends are for enjoying food, not rushing.
Yes, enjoying breakfast is part of the weekend feeling. Okay, now let's make one clear sentence. You can say, on weekends, I enjoy a slow breakfast at home or outside.
On weekends, I enjoy a slow breakfast at home or outside.
Perfect. That sounds very natural. All right. After breakfast, let's talk about clothes. Rahul, what do you usually wear on weekends?
Yeah, on weekends, I wear casual clothes. No uniform, no office shirt.
That already sounds comfortable. What kind of casual clothes?
Usually a t-shirt and jeans. Sometimes a hoodie if it's cool.
Oh, hoodies are very weekend clothes. Comfort first.
Yes, comfort is very important. On weekends, I don't want tight clothes.
Same here. On weekends, I wear soft clothes. Loose pants, a comfortable top.
Yeah, clothes that let you relax.
Do you choose your clothes fast or do you take time?
Very fast. I look at my clothes and pick the first thing. No thinking.
That's very honest. For me, I think a little more, but still casual.
Do you prepare clothes at night?
No, not on weekends. That's only for weekdays.
Yeah, weekends don't need planning.
Exactly. Weekend clothes are simple and easy. Okay, now let's make one clear sentence. You can say, on weekends, I wear casual and comfortable clothes.
On weekends, I wear casual and comfortable clothes.
All right, after wearing your weekend clothes, let's talk about activities. Rahul, what do you usually do on weekends?
Yeah, it depends. Sometimes I go out. Sometimes I stay home and relax.
Oh, both sound nice. What do you do when you go out?
I go for a walk or I meet friends. Sometimes we just sit and talk.
That sounds very relaxing. No big plans, just simple time.
Yes, exactly. And sometimes we eat outside, street food or Burger King.
Weekend food is fun food. For me, when I stay home, I watch Netflix.
Oh yes, Netflix weekends are dangerous.
Very dangerous. One episode becomes many episodes.
Yeah, and suddenly it's evening.
Do you prefer going out or staying home?
I like both. If I feel tired, I stay home. If I feel energetic, I go out.
That's a good balance. Weekends are about choice. Okay, now let's make one clear sentence. You can say, on weekends, I go out or stay home and relax.
On weekends, I go out or stay home and relax.
Perfect. Very clear and very natural. All right. Let's talk about phone time. Rahul, do you use your phone a lot on weekends?
Yeah, a little more than weekdays. I don't check it all the time, but I use it often.
Oh, that sounds honest. What do you usually check first?
Messages first. Then maybe YouTube or Netflix.
Yes, weekend screen time is very tempting. For me, I try not to use my phone too much.
Oh, really? How do you control it?
I put my phone away sometimes. I watch one show, then I stop.
That's good. I say one video, but watch many videos.
Yes, that happens to everyone.
Do you use your phone in the morning or later in the day?
Later, I like quiet mornings, no notifications.
Yeah, notifications can be noisy. Ping, ping, ping.
Exactly. Weekends are for calm, not noise. Okay, now let's make one clear sentence. You can say, on weekends, I use my phone for messages and videos.
On weekends, I use my phone for messages and videos.
Perfect. Very natural English. All right. After lunch and some rest, let's talk about the afternoon. Rahul, how do you usually feel on weekend afternoons?
Yeah, I feel relaxed. Not rushed, not stressed, just calm.
Oh, that sounds very nice. Do you feel energetic or a little lazy?
A little lazy. My body feels slow, but my mind feels light.
That's a perfect weekend feeling. For me, I feel calm, but also a bit active. I like slow afternoons.
Yes, slow afternoons are the best. No big plans.
Do you do anything special in the afternoon?
Sometimes I take a nap. Sometimes I just sit and think.
Oh, naps are very weekend friendly. I also take a short nap sometimes.
Yeah, even a 20-minute nap feels great.
Do you ever feel bored in the afternoon?
Not really. I enjoy doing nothing.
That's a good skill. Enjoying quiet time. Okay, now let's make one clear sentence. You can say, on weekend afternoons, I feel calm and relaxed.
On weekend afternoons, I feel calm and relaxed.
Perfect. Very clear and natural.
All right. Now let's move to the evening. Rahul, what do you usually do on weekend evenings?
Yeah, weekend evenings are nice. I feel more free. Usually I eat dinner and relax.
Oh, that sounds peaceful. Do you eat dinner at home or outside?
Mostly at home. Sometimes out with friends.
Nice. For me, weekend dinners are slow. No hurry.
Yes, slow dinners are the best. We talk, we laugh.
Yes. Do you watch something in the evening?
Yeah, sometimes Netflix, sometimes TV, nothing serious.
Same here. Light shows, simple fun.
Do you go out in the evening?
Not always. Sometimes I go for a short walk. Fresh air feels good.
Yeah, evening walks are relaxing. The air feels cooler.
Exactly. Weekend evenings are for slowing down. Okay, now let's make one clear sentence. You can say, on weekend evenings, I relax and enjoy my time.
On weekend evenings, I relax and enjoy my time.
Perfect. Very natural English. All right. Now let's compare. Rahul, how are weekends different from weekdays for you?
Yeah, weekends feel very different. Weekdays are busy. Weekends are slow.
Oh, yes. Weekdays have alarms and schedules. Weekends have freedom.
Exactly. On weekdays, I wake up early and rush. On weekends, I wake up late and relax.
Same here. Weekdays feel long, weekends feel short.
Yes, weekends go fast.
What do you enjoy more, weekdays or weekends?
Weekends. I feel more like myself.
That's a nice way to say it. For me, weekdays are important, but weekends give balance.
Yes, balance is important.
Do you feel happier on weekends?
Yeah, a little happier, less stress.
Same. A calm mind makes a big difference. Okay, now let's make one clear sentence. You can say, weekends are slower and more relaxing than weekdays.
Weekends are slower and more relaxing than weekdays.
Perfect. Very clear and natural.
All right, before we finish, let's do a short recap together. Today, we talked about the weekend routine, from waking up to the evening.
Yeah, on weekends, I wake up late. No alarm.
You feel relaxed in the morning. You take your time.
I eat breakfast slowly and wear casual clothes.
You go out sometimes and stay home sometimes.
I use my phone, watch videos, and relax.
In the afternoon, you feel calm. In the evening, you enjoy your time.
Weekends are slower than weekdays.
Perfect. You did a great job today. Now it's your turn. Please answer these questions in the comments. What time do you wake up on weekends? What do you do first in the morning? Do you go out or stay home on weekends?
Write short sentences. Simple English is perfect.
Yes. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice is more important. If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video.
And subscribe to Easy English Talk for more calm, real conversations.
Thank you so much for listening.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.